Alright, confession time. Most beginner filmmakers don't have a problem with writing a movie. They have a problem with writing a single f***ing scene that works. Your script might have explosions, car chases, and Oscar-worthy monologues. But if your individual scenes are boring, the movie's dead before it ever hits the water. Today, I'm going to show you how to write a scene that doesn't suck. Let's go. What a scene actually is. A scene isn't just people talking in a room. It's not just stuff that happens. A scene is change. If nothing changes from the start of your scene to the end emotionally, physically, or in audience's understanding, guess what? You're f***ed. The 3 things every scene needs. Number 1, conflict. If someone agrees, there's no tension, there's no stakes, and there's no reason for them to watch. Number 2, purpose. Why does this scene exist? If you can delete it and nothing changes in the story, go ahead and delete it now. Number 3, movement. By the end of the scene, something has to shift. A decision is made, a secret is revealed, or a relationship changes. That's the gas pedal that keeps people watching. Common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1, writing scenes like 2 characters talk about the plot for 3 minutes, because you saw Tarantino do it. Yeah, except when he does it, there's subtext, power shifts, and a ticking clock underneath that you just don't know about necessarily. Mistake 2, opening every scene with pointless greetings. Nobody cares about, hey man, how's it going? Unless it's hiding a knife fight in the next 10 seconds. Mistake 3, making every scene the same emotional tone. If every scene is at an 11, nothing's at an 11. You have to pace yourself. How to fix a bad scene. Ask yourself this, who wants what here? Who's stopping them? What changes by the end of it? If you can't answer those 3, your scene is just pretty words on paper. Now, strip out everything that doesn't serve those answers. Yes, even that poetic line that you love so much. Kill it now. Good scenes are like currency. They make your film watchable, your characters unforgettable, and your audience stay in their seats. So stop writing filler, write conflict, write movement, write scenes that change something. Because if you nail the scene, the rest of the movie will take care of itself. I'm Adam Blocker with Freedom Filmmakers. Now go write something that doesn't suck. Peace.